Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Happy Tuesday. And it was an interesting day here in the market. There's been a couple significant events that have caused the market to move and have the power to continue to cause the market to move to the downside. So, one of those things occurred yesterday, and that is the Longshoremen's strike, which is actually happening. Now, I did a daily video about that a couple of weeks ago and talked about, hey, if it is just for a short period of time, it's probably not that big of a deal. But if it's for a longer, extended period of time, it can have the effect of really messing up our supply chain. And therefore, which is the thing that caused one of the things that caused inflation to begin with, and could risk upsetting the Fed mandate, raising higher inflation, and just causing a bunch of trouble. Now, the other thing is Iran fired about 200 missiles into Israel, fired them at them. Some were intercepted, apparently, but I don't really talk about war and politics. I just talk about how it affects the market, and it negatively affected the market. Definitely had an adverse effect on it, pulling it down. And if the tensions escalate further, we're very, very likely to see more movement to the downside. Right now, at the end of the day here, the S&P 500 closed just shy of down 1%, which is not a very big move. But if either of these two things continue to play out, we could definitely see a rout in the S&P 500. Hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.